Patatas with cheese, with carrots in the tops. Yummy! Kuluan ng pork. Ilalagay na natin yung patatas. Malinis na yan. Palalambutin natin yan. Diyan natin gagamitin to para malasa yan. Add tayo ng garlic. Natin yung spread yung bago natin yan yung patatas. Carrots. Paminta. Seasonings. Huwag na tayo mag-add ng salt kasi unsalted ng butter natin. Tapos ibabaliktad natin. Wow! It's yummy. Delicious. So, ready to serve na yung ating potato. Ilagyan lang natin ng grated na carrots. Ready done na. Lagyan lang natin siya ng cheese on the top. Okay. So, ready to serve na yung aking patatas with cheese, with carrots in the tops. Yummy!